Hello.
Hello.
Welcome and thanks for joining us today at Drone Expo Conference 2025.
Welcome.
Our audience would really glad to know about your experience at Drone Expo and what products you are showcasing today. Let's begin with the first question.
Yeah, sure.
Could you please introduce yourself and tell our audience about your company?
Yeah, I myself, Mr. Vivek Kulkarni. I am from Thakur Institute of Aviation Technology, where I am working as an admission manager, senior instructor, and also I am head of the training for the Drone Training Institute, that is Airgot Drone Training Institute, and also I am presently vice chairman of Aeronautics Society of India, Mumbai branch. So presently I am working with Thakur Institute of Aviation Technology as an admission manager for the EASA and DGCA course, which is running for the aircraft maintenance engineering course.
That's really perfect. So, sir, today, which products or solution you are showcasing at Drone Expo?
Basically, in the Drone Expo, we are highlighting about the Thakur Institute of Aviation Technology. We are into aviation, aircraft maintenance engineering. Also, we are entering into drone. So, Airgot Drone Training Institute, where we are into RPTO, where the students will be learning the drone training with us, and that drone training will be provided with the Oculus. This is the India's first institute which is going to give the training in Oculus, because we are having AR, VR virtual setups in our institute, where the labs are there, where we are going to give training on this Oculus. In this Oculus, you can see the drones flying, and you can fly the drone with the help of Oculus. So this is the unique part of our institute.
Perfect, sir. So, sir, in your views, what are your strengths which keeps you unique from others?
Basically, this aviation, Thakur Aviation Institute is unique because this has got 5 countries approval, like DGCA, EASA, GCA, Bhutan, CAP. No other institute in India has got 5 countries approval. And apart from this, we are the #1 institute in the placement side. If you see, our students are placed across the globe also, because we have EASA approval in aircraft maintenance engineering. In that also, we are running categories like B1.1, B2, that is in avionics. So that's why we are telling to the, now we are focusing here at the Drone Expo. We are bringing our drones, and we are giving the quality training, that is with the Oculus. So definitely the students trained over here is going to get the placement. Our institute aim is to not only do the course, but to give the placement to the students. That is our main intention, aim and vision.
To give them more career opportunities.
More career opportunities.
Perfect, sir. So, sir, do you have any message you want to share with your potential customers, visitors, or individual visiting your booth today?
Yeah, because many institutes, college students are coming to our booth, and they are wearing this Oculus. They are very much passionate, because this Oculus training, generally they think that it is for the gaming purpose. But here we are giving for the education purpose. So they are surprised to see what are the elements. With this Oculus, they are getting into our own institute. Sorry.
Nice. Even I am surprised, sir. For education purpose, it is you. Sir, at last, I hope you had the great experience at Drone Expo in Mumbai.
Yeah.
Next year, we are bringing to Bangalore with same aim and more opportunities. Would you like to participate again?
By saying this exponential response over here, definitely we would like to have our stall in Bangalore also, where we can showcase this thing, which is unique thing in drone, which no other institute rather in India has having such kind of concept. So definitely we want to explore in the Bangalore also.
We can't wait to see you in Bangalore, sir.
Most welcome.
There's nice talking
Surely.
to you.
Thank
I
you.
hope to see you again. All
Thank
the
you.
best.
Thank you.